And today I'm pleased to recognize two employees for their 30 years of service today, both of whom do important work in the Lake County Health Department. The first one we are going to recognize, first person is Josefina Guzman for her 30 years of service. Whereas Josefina, or Josie, Guzman has been a dedicated employee serving mothers, infants, and families in the Lake County community for 30 years. And whereas Josie joined the Lake County Health Department in 1995 as a clerk or typist 2 in the Maternal Child Health program and was promoted to clerk 2 and then senior clerk before advancing to the role of principal program assistant in 2009. And whereas Josie has supported the maternal health child program in countless ways by ensuring the accuracy of reimbursement, reporting, billing, timekeeping, and translating for patients. And whereas Josie has been a key leader in maternal child health by training new staff, serving as a safety officer, being a liaison and super user for multiple systems and systems transitions over the years, and creating and updating processes, procedures, forms, and training materials. And whereas the past 30 years of Josie's career have been dedicated to preventing maternal and infant illnesses and deaths by protecting and ensuring the health of mothers and children. She demonstrates her passion for the health of patients through her strong commitment to her colleagues and families throughout Lake County. Now, therefore, be it resolved by this County Board of Lake County, Illinois, that Josefina Guzman is celebrating 30 years of dedicated service to Lake County. Josie is a valuable asset to the maternal and child health program, and we are thankful for her continued service. Dated at Waukegan, Illinois, on January 14, 2025. Josie, come up.
Josie has been an instrumental part of Maternal Child Health. She's an invaluable source of support to management and her peers in her role, which includes being a key part in orienting new staff to processes, navigating computer systems, and translating for Spanish-speaking clients. We value her commitment to the community and clients served in her role at Lake County Health Department. Thank you and congratulations, Josie, for 30 years of service.
Thank you. Thank you. Next is a special recognition of Evelyn Soto for her 30 years of service to Lake County. Whereas Evelyn Soto has been a dedicated staff member at the Lake County Health Department and Community Health Center for 30 years since joining in 1995 as a public health assistant. And whereas she became a clerk 2 in the Environmental Health Division in 1996 and earned several promotions before advancing to the role of Environmental Health Office Manager. And whereas Evelyn is a critical part of environmental health, leading her team of principal program assistants to ensure support for the public and staff in numerous areas. And whereas her knowledge of health department and county processes is integral to effective operations at the Central Permit Facility in Libertyville, and she is dedicated to quality improvement and continually seeks ways to improve and enhance efficiencies. Now, therefore, be it recognized by this County Board of Lake County, Illinois, that Evelyn Soto is celebrating 30 years of dedicated service to the Lake County Health Department and Community Health Center, and we are thankful for her years of dedicated service. Dated at Waukegan, Illinois, on January 14, 2025. Evelyn, you want to come up?
Good morning. It's been an honor to be recognized with this award. I couldn't have done it without the collaboration and the hard work of many of my colleagues over the years. Some of the managers and staff have retired. However, from Carmen Perez in Family Case Management to Peggy Ratliff, Sandy White, Laura Westfall, and lastly, Mark Pfister, as many of you know, were all great leaders and managers from Lake County Health Department that I had the pleasure to work with. The commitment, dedication, and leadership from each of them inspired me to do better each day that I came into work. I have the honor to work with a team who enjoys working at environmental health as I do in providing great customer service with each day that we receive a call, an email, or an inspection. For the last 5 years, Larry is the type of manager that has an open door policy and is always willing to take the time to talk to anyone in our department, especially me, when I continuously go into his office and ask him or let him know, hey, this isn't working, what can we do to change it? Can you help me with that? He will write a note in his fancy notebook that he has in his office, as he always meets with us on our one-on-one meetings with all of the different managers, and will come up with a better solution or a better outcome than any of us expected. He has been a supervisor that will take the time to listen and also be willing to make changes in our department so that processes are streamlined, not just for our employees, but also for our customers, which reside in Lake County and also with contractors that work in Lake County. Larry and other managers have given me the support that I have had to succeed in my current position. Thank you again to the county for this recognition, and to Larry Mackey.
Okay. This is about Evelyn. This is supposed to be about Evelyn. So she knows I'm not a big person for making speeches, but actually in this case, I'm really happy to be able to say a few words about Evelyn, and thank you for yours. But you're the one that makes everything work there. Evelyn's the office manager. I work with her closely every day. Sometimes, she talks about our one-on-one meetings that we have weekly. Sometimes her energy level sometimes wears me out at the end of those meetings. That's what's so great about her. She was one of the original people that was in the, what was then called the Staff Action Team, which worked on the integration back before the central permit facility was even designed and built. So she's been with it from the beginning, and she's a really integral, like we said, an integral part of the integrated permitting that we have in place now at the county, and she deserves a lot of credit for that. She's super direct in her communications, which I greatly appreciate, and she did mention quality improvement. We mentioned that because she is an embodiment of quality improvement. She sees a process and she says, how can we do it better? And that's what I value most about her, and I'm really happy to be able to congratulate her on 30 years.
Oh, nice. Thank you.